Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Prisha. Today we will be practicing introducing ourselves. Let me tell you the reason why. If someone asks you to introduce yourself, what will you say? Will you be confused? If yes, don't worry. This is how I'll introduce myself. Hi, my name is Prisha. I'm 7 years old and I live in Tsukuba. I go to Liberty International School. I'm in grade 2. I feel math and art are very interesting subjects. I like playing with my friends and going to the park. For fun, I love making learning and activity videos. My favorite colors are pink and purple. My favorite food is puri and curry. My favorite dessert is ice cream. How was that? Do you like it? I hope you did. Now it's your turn. What's your name and where do you live? What's your school name and what grade are you in? What do you like to do for fun? What's your favorite color and food? Please prepare your introduction like I did. Then try practicing it out loud. After practicing, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and please share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Keep learning. Fun with Pusha.